Today ungambona ehambela phezulu kodwa lezo zinto anazo zenziwa ukuthi mina ngivulile iminyango. I tried to paraphrase guys into eyenza ke umthombeni a trend currently guys andiyazi into esiyenza thanks ma production at this point. It's only Monday and episode kamakhumalo is only going to be playing on Friday. Now izolo I also did a video echazayo into ba why umakhumalo ebengekho mninzi kuithandwe nesithembu uncut. Umakhumalo is working hard and naye uyatsho ke kule episode esoyifumana Friday into ba each and everything mna endinayo is through my sweat and blood and my pain guys and my hard work. But ke guess what, utata uMseleko umhlalise phansi uyamkhumbuza into ba kaloku wena the time we met you were very young and ke kwi diary ayochaza into ba listen up ke sana ningamboni nje seyihambela phezulu ndamthatha engenanto engenadwa everything enimbona enayo is all because of my hard work. And I think that is the only part eyenza abantu to be really angered. Now I don't know whether this is part of entertainment because you know what, a segment kamakhumalo is always going to make people angry. Whatever Utarum Seleko says, be it about yena nokuzala or be it about her achieving a lot, Utarum Seleko is always going to literally make us so mad. So umakhumalo uyayibona ke indlu yakhe, it's very beautiful I must say. I think iqala ekamakhumalo kuze ekamayeni ebuhleni kwezindlu Eka Nombela, I really didn't like the inside of the house, but why watching Doba is still going to do some TLC. But anyways, this is what some people are saying, responding to Utadom Selego. One person is saying, yes, I really struggle to empathize with Utobile. For a very long time, she was comfortable scoring points with Umusa, making it seem like other wives are drama queens. I remember her saying, Mina istembo ngiyaspila, implying that she has a better understanding of polygamy over other wives, especially Umangwabe and Mayeni, as they were the ones opposing the idea of a fifth wife. Now, because it wasn't done in a way that considers her feelings, now because she doesn't approve of the candidates that was chosen, she is now sour. I'm sure if you follow a show, guys, you know why umakhumalo did not approve of Usamke, because obviously Usamke usuka kwelali yakhe. Now, of course, utike lo mntu, she called Mayeni delusional simply because Mayeni is not shy to detail the pain that she has endured via Istembu and how inconsiderate Umusa is. Tobile invalidated all of that. And our tables have turned. Usebuza ukuthi what is love? Now usecula iculo labani likaNombela. Ubuziwe ke ukuthi usamthanda yini umthombeni, wathi ke uThobile what really is love, okay? Khona ke abantu abaninzi that are saying, you know what, Urarumusa Mselegu is jealous of umakhumalo. If really he is opening doors, then makavulele for each and every other wife. All the other wives should be equally successful as ke ubani umakhumalo. Guys, masingadingide kakhulu, Friday still awaits us. Let us see so that we will get the full context of everything. In the meantime, guys, and surely I will see you shortly. Thank you for tuning in. Bye, guys.